Welcome to our channel. In this video, we delve into a crucial topic for anyone considering a vehicle purchase: the 12 items you should avoid when buying from a car dealership. Our primary goal is to educate viewers about the common scams that can occur in these settings, ensuring that you are well prepared and informed before making such a significant investment. Understanding these pitfalls is essential, as it can save you not only money, but also the frustration of dealing with unnecessary fees and hidden costs that dealerships may try to impose. By being aware of these tactics, you empower yourself to negotiate better deals and make smarter choices. Car buying can be an exciting yet daunting experience, and we aim to make it more approachable by highlighting key areas to watch out for. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned car owner, this information is invaluable in navigating the often overwhelming world of car dealerships. So, buckle up as we guide you through these 12 critical items to avoid, helping you to steer clear of potential traps and ensuring that your car buying journey is as smooth and rewarding as possible. Let's get started and equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support is needed to help us bring more money-saving and insightful content to our audience. When it comes to purchasing a vehicle, one common pitfall many buyers encounter is the allure of paint protection plans offered by dealerships. While these plans may seem like a smart investment to keep your car looking pristine, it's essential to understand how dealerships profit from them. Often these plans are marked up significantly, allowing dealerships to pocket a substantial profit while providing minimal value to the buyer. Furthermore, the effectiveness of these paint protection plans is frequently overstated. Many customers find that the promised benefits, such as long-lasting protection against scratches and environmental damage, do not hold up over time. Additionally, dealerships often lack the follow-up support needed to address any issues that may arise after the sale, leaving buyers feeling abandoned and dissatisfied. Instead of relying on dealership offerings, we recommend exploring third-party services that specialize in paint protection. These services typically provide more effective solutions, such as ceramic coatings or high-quality sealants, often at a lower cost than dealership plans. By opting for a reputable third-party provider, you can ensure that your vehicle receives the protection it deserves without falling victim to dealership profit margins. Ultimately, being informed about these pitfalls can save you money and enhance your car's longevity. When purchasing a vehicle, one aspect that often raises eyebrows is the delivery and destination charges that dealerships impose. It's crucial to clarify that these fees are frequently marked up significantly by dealerships, often far exceeding the actual costs incurred for transporting the vehicle. This markup can lead to inflated prices that buyers may not even realize they are paying. As a savvy consumer, it's essential to negotiate the total vehicle price without these unnecessary fees included. By focusing on the overall cost of the vehicle, you can avoid falling into the trap of accepting inflated charges that serve little purpose other than to pad the dealership's profits. In many cases, these delivery and destination charges are pure profit for the dealership, contributing to their bottom line rather than reflecting any genuine expense related to your purchase. Understanding this can empower you to advocate for a fairer deal. Remember, the goal is to ensure you're paying for the vehicle itself, not for hidden fees that don't add value to your purchase. By being informed and assertive during negotiations, you can significantly reduce the total cost of your vehicle and ensure that you're getting the best possible deal without unnecessary financial burdens. One of the more insidious scams in the car buying process revolves around the third blinking brake light, which dealerships often market as an essential safety feature. They present it as a must-have addition that enhances visibility and reduces the risk of rear-end collisions, creating a sense of urgency for buyers to include it in their purchase. However, it's crucial to challenge this narrative by asking for concrete data that supports the effectiveness of this feature. Many consumers may not realize that the actual safety benefits of a third blinking brake light are often exaggerated, and there may be little to no substantial evidence proving its necessity. Additionally, it's important to consider the potential implications of adding non-OEM, original equipment manufacturer, components to your vehicle. Many dealerships may not disclose that installing aftermarket parts such as this blinking brake light can void your warranty, leaving you vulnerable to costly repairs down the line. This lack of transparency can lead to significant financial repercussions for unsuspecting buyers. Therefore, before agreeing to any additional features, especially those marketed as safety enhancements, take the time to research and question their true value. Being informed and cautious can help you avoid unnecessary expenses and protect your investment in the long run. Credit life and disability insurance is often aggressively pushed by finance managers at car dealerships, who present it as a safety net for buyers in case of unforeseen circumstances. However, it's essential to expose the high costs and low value associated with these policies. Many consumers find themselves facing excessive monthly premiums that can significantly inflate their overall vehicle financing costs. Over time, these payments can add up, leading to a substantial financial burden that may not provide the promised benefits. In reality, the coverage offered by credit life and disability insurance is often limited, and may not be as comprehensive as buyers are led to believe. This can leave individuals feeling vulnerable and unprotected despite their investment in the policy. Instead of succumbing to the pressure to purchase this insurance, we encourage viewers to consider alternatives or simply decline it altogether. There are often more effective and affordable options available, such as traditional life insurance or disability insurance policies that provide broader coverage at a lower cost. By being informed and proactive, you can avoid unnecessary expenses and ensure that your financial decisions align with your long-term goals. Remember, it's crucial to evaluate the true value of any insurance product before committing to it, especially when it comes to protecting your financial future. Dealer prep and reconditioning fees are often a source of confusion and frustration for car buyers, as they can be misleading and unexpectedly added to the final price. Many consumers are unaware of these fees until they arrive at the showroom, where they are presented with a list of additional costs that can significantly inflate the overall purchase price. This lack of transparency can leave buyers feeling blindsided and unsure about what they are actually paying for. It's essential to advise viewers to negotiate these fees out of their purchase. Remember, just because a dealership includes these charges doesn't mean you have to accept them without question. By being assertive and asking for a breakdown of these costs, you can often eliminate or reduce them, saving you money in the process. Furthermore, it's important to note that many of these dealer prep and reconditioning costs are often reimbursed by manufacturers. This means that dealerships may be charging you for services that they are already compensated for, making these fees even more questionable. Being informed about these practices can empower you as a buyer, allowing you to advocate for a fairer deal. Ultimately, understanding the true nature of dealer prep and reconditioning fees can help you make smarter financial decisions when purchasing your vehicle. When it comes to purchasing a vehicle, one often overlooked aspect is the GPS systems sold by dealerships. While these systems may seem like a convenient addition, it's important to critique their actual value. Dealerships frequently mark up the prices of GPS systems significantly, allowing them to profit from what is essentially a basic technology that can be found at a fraction of the cost elsewhere. Many new cars now come equipped with built-in telematics and navigation systems, rendering the need for an additional GPS unit unnecessary for most buyers. These integrated systems often provide real-time updates and features that standalone devices may lack, making them a more practical choice. Instead of succumbing to the dealership's upsell, we encourage viewers to explore cheaper alternatives available online. Numerous reputable brands offer high-quality GPS devices at competitive prices, often with features that rival those sold at dealerships. By doing a little research, you can find options that suit your needs without the hefty markup. Additionally, many smartphone apps provide excellent navigation services for free or at a low cost, further diminishing the need for a dedicated GPS system. Ultimately, being informed about the true value of dealership GPS systems can help you make smarter purchasing decisions and save you money in the long run. When considering vehicle purchases, many buyers encounter theft protection packages offered by dealerships, which often promise peace of mind and security. However, it's essential to analyze the effectiveness of these packages critically. One major issue is that the claims made by dealerships regarding the effectiveness of these theft protection systems are often unsubstantiated by real-world data. Many consumers find that the promised benefits do not materialize, leaving them feeling misled. Additionally, the high costs associated with these packages can be a significant burden, especially when weighed against the actual benefits provided. In many cases, the level of protection offered may not justify the expense, leading buyers to question whether they are truly getting value for their money. Instead of relying on dealership offerings, we encourage viewers to seek alternatives for vehicle security. There are numerous aftermarket solutions available, such as GPS tracking devices, steering wheel locks, and alarm systems, which can provide effective protection at a fraction of the cost. These alternatives often come with better reviews and proven effectiveness, allowing you to secure your vehicle without falling prey to dealership upsells. By being informed and exploring your options, you can make smarter decisions regarding vehicle security and ensure that your investment is adequately protected without unnecessary financial strain. When it comes to purchasing a vehicle, many buyers are often tempted to buy accessories directly from the dealership. However, it's crucial to discuss the high costs associated with these accessories, as dealerships frequently mark up prices significantly. Common items such as floor mats, roof racks, and even basic cargo organizers can be sold at exorbitant prices, leaving buyers feeling like they've overpaid for what should be relatively inexpensive additions. This markup can be particularly frustrating when you realize that the same accessories can be found at much lower prices elsewhere. We encourage viewers to consider purchasing accessories from third-party vendors, where you can often find the same products at a fraction of the cost. Brands like WeatherTech and Thule, for example, offer high-quality accessories that are frequently available at competitive prices compared to dealership offerings. Additionally, online marketplaces like Amazon or specialized automotive retailers often provide a wide selection of accessories, allowing you to compare prices and read reviews before making a purchase. By exploring these alternatives, you can save money and ensure that you're getting the best value for your accessories. Ultimately, being informed about the high costs of dealership accessories can empower you to make smarter purchasing decisions and enhance your vehicle without breaking the bank. Tire and wheel protection plans are often marketed as essential add-ons when purchasing a vehicle, but it's important to critique their actual value. One major limitation of these plans is the coverage they provide, which is often riddled with exclusions and fine print. Many plans may only cover specific types of damage, such as road hazards, while leaving out other common issues like wear and tear or cosmetic damage. This can lead to disappointment when buyers discover that the repairs they need aren't covered. Additionally, the high costs associated with these protection plans can be a significant financial burden, especially when weighed against the likelihood of needing repairs. Statistically, many drivers may never experience a situation that requires tire or wheel replacement, making the investment questionable. For instance, if you drive primarily in urban areas with well-maintained roads, the chances of incurring damage may be lower than you think. Therefore, it's crucial to advise viewers to consider the actual risks before purchasing these plans. Assess your driving habits, the types of roads you frequent, and your overall risk tolerance. By being informed and realistic about the potential need for tire and wheel repairs, you can make a more educated decision about whether these protection plans are worth the cost, or if you would be better off setting aside funds for potential repairs instead. One of the more frustrating practices in the car buying process is the additional dealer markups that can significantly inflate vehicle prices. These markups, often referred to as market adjustments, are added on top of the manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, and can vary widely depending on the dealership and the demand for specific models. In high-demand situations, such as when a new model is released or during supply shortages, dealerships may impose steep markups that can add thousands of dollars to the final price. This practice can leave buyers feeling overwhelmed and unsure about whether they are getting a fair deal. It's essential to encourage viewers to be aware of current market conditions and to negotiate assertively when faced with these additional costs. Knowledge is power. Understanding the typical pricing for the vehicle you want can help you push back against unreasonable markups. Certain models, such as the Toyota RAV4, Ford Bronco, and certain luxury vehicles, are particularly notorious for high dealer markups due to their popularity and limited availability. By being informed about these practices and prepared to negotiate, you can protect yourself from overpaying and ensure that you get the best possible deal on your next vehicle purchase. Remember, it's your money, and you deserve to spend it wisely. When considering vehicle purchases, many buyers are often presented with dent and ding protection packages, which promise to keep your car looking pristine. However, it's essential to analyze the actual value of these packages critically. One of the main complexities involved in claiming repairs under these plans is the process itself, which can be cumbersome and filled with stipulations. Many consumers find that the requirements for filing a claim can be confusing, leading to frustration when they attempt to utilize the coverage. Additionally, these packages often come with hidden costs that may not be immediately apparent. For instance, there may be deductibles or limits on the number of claims you can file, which can diminish the perceived value of the protection. Instead of relying on dealership offerings, we encourage viewers to seek local services for dent repairs. Many independent body shops offer high-quality repairs at competitive prices, often without the convoluted claims process associated with dealership packages. By opting for local services, you can ensure that you receive personalized attention and potentially save money in the long run. Ultimately, being informed about the limitations and hidden costs of dent and ding protection packages can empower you to make smarter decisions regarding your vehicle's care, allowing you to maintain its appearance without unnecessary financial strain. When purchasing a vehicle, many dealerships offer key replacement programs that may seem like a wise investment for peace of mind. However, it's essential to critique the necessity of these programs, particularly given the high costs associated with them. Dealerships often charge exorbitant fees for these plans, which can add hundreds of dollars to your overall vehicle purchase. Given that key replacement can be a straightforward process, the expense of these programs often outweighs their actual value. Instead of relying on dealership offerings, we encourage viewers to explore cheaper alternatives for key replacement. Many local locksmiths can provide key duplication and programming services at a fraction of the cost, making it a more economical choice. Additionally, some automotive retailers offer key replacement services that are both reliable and affordable. It's also crucial to emphasize the importance of reading contracts carefully before committing to any key replacement program. Many plans come with fine print that outlines limitations, exclusions, and potential fees that can catch buyers off guard. By being diligent and informed, you can avoid unnecessary expenses and ensure that you're making a sound financial decision regarding your vehicle's key replacement needs. Ultimately, understanding the true necessity of these programs can help you save money and protect your investment more effectively. In this video, we've highlighted several critical points regarding the often overlooked scams that can occur at car dealerships. First and foremost, it's essential to be informed about these dealership practices, such as additional markups, misleading fees, and unnecessary add-ons that can inflate the cost of your vehicle. By understanding these tactics, you empower yourself to negotiate better deals and avoid falling victim to common pitfalls. We've also discussed the importance of exploring alternatives, whether it's for accessories, insurance, or key replacements, to ensure you're making financially sound decisions. As you navigate the car buying process, remember that knowledge is your best ally. We encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with friends and family who may also benefit from these insights. By spreading the word, you help others become aware of these dealership scams and protect their investments. Additionally, we invite you to explore more content on our channel, where you'll find further insights and tips to enhance your car buying experience. Together, we can create a more informed community of consumers who are equipped to make smarter choices when it comes to purchasing vehicles. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to providing you with more valuable information in the future.